Ladies and gentlemen, the graduation ceremony will begin shortly. Please switch off your handphones and put them on silence mode if you haven't done so. We have arranged for official photographers to take photos of all graduates receiving their diplomas. There is no need to come to the front to take photographs during the ceremony. I will be inviting you to stand when the academic processions enters and leave the convention hall. Lastly, dear graduates, please ensure that you have your admission ticket and identity card with you before joining the queue to receive the stroll box on stage. You will be issued with a card logged on ID and password as you leave the stage. Please keep the card as you will need it to place your order for photos. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Our guest speaker, Mr. Barry Sim, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to the 53rd graduation ceremony at the Singapore Polytechnic. At this 7th session, we will be presenting diplomas and other awards to graduates from the School of Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. Our guest speaker this morning is Mr. Barry Sim, Managing Director of ETLA Limited. Mr. Sim is an Executive Director and a member of the Executive Committee of Franken's Group Limited, an international contract equipment manufacturer listed in the Singapore Stock Exchange. He is also currently the Managing Director of ETLA Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Franken, responsible for managing the strategic growth and businesses of ETLA and its companies in Asia. Mr. Sim began his career in 1990 with the Economic Development Board, or EDB, where he served in various management capacities, including being the Senior Vice President, Investment, EDB Ventures Management Private Limited. Mr. Sim holds a Master's of Business Administration from the MIT, USA, and a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering with first-class honors from the University of Newcastle, Australia. He was awarded the Public Administration Medal in 2001 National Day for his contribution to the Singapore Public Service. It is now my pleasure to invite Mr. Barry Sim to deliver the graduation address. Mr. Sim, please.
Good morning, members of the Board of Governors, Mr. Tan Chun Sian, Principal and CEO, distinguished guests, family and friends, above all, graduating class of 2013. Congratulations. Like you, Singapore Polytechnic is my alma mater, only some 32 years ago. To be able to partake in this graduation ceremony holds a special meaning for me. So thank you for asking me to do this. I'm betting that years from now, as you, your family, and friends reminisce over this day, this ceremony, and of the time spent in this institution, it is not likely that you'll remember who delivered this speech. Don't feel so bad for me. I hear it's commonplace. Former US Vice President Mr. Al Gore admitted in one of his commencement speeches that he could not remember who his own graduation speaker was, and get this, not a single thing of what was said. So, humbled by this recognition, I promise to keep this as crisp as possible and as tolerable as possible. There are some 400 graduating engineering graduates present today. Welcome to the fraternity. Depending on how you draw the boundary conditions, records have it that there are some 150 million practicing engineers globally, making this a sliver of just 2% of the world's population of, say, 7 billion. Okay, if we were to include engineers and engineering associates, let's just multiply by a factor of 5, and we're talking engineers accounting for just 10% of the world's population. Begs the question, are you feeling that pride within you? The elitist juices, I dare say, flowing within you? Or are you erring on the edge of insignificance? Or worse, indifference? My answer to you is obvious. You must surely know by now it is that engineering is a training of systematic and methodical problem solving. It is a foundation that is applied in diverse fields. For centuries and today, engineers fuse engineering sciences and practices, to develop products and processes, create and manage systems for civil infrastructure, transportation and mobility, manufacturing, healthcare delivery, communication networks, and the list goes on. As engineers, you can be justly proud to join this fraternity and of having played a tremendous role in humanity from Industrial Revolution to the information age. And I'm certain in enabling what is yet to come for the broader segments of humankind. I want to touch on education and employment. First, some staggering facts from an international survey done by McKinsey and Company. 75 million youth are unemployed. Half of them are not sure that their tertiary education has improved their chances of finding a job. Almost 40% of employers cited the lack of skills as the main reason for entry-level vacancies. The passage of education to employment is a complicated one. Around the world, governments and businesses face a conundrum, which is high levels of youth unemployment and a shortage of job seekers with critical skills. How can a country successfully move its young people from education to employment? What are the problems? How can this be scaled up? These are no easy but crucial questions. Now, some of you might be asking, what have all this to do with me? You are quite right, nothing. For these are hardly the findings on our Singapore shores. But this study covered more than 100 tertiary technical institutions and scores of businesses in over 25 countries, including the UK, Germany, and the US. Mind you, these are not your emerging or developing economies, one tends to suspect. Mr. Ngiam Tong Dao, former top civil servant, asserted in a recent post-budget 2013 forum about developing a Singapore core in the workforce. Excerpts of his claims went something like this. Fresh graduates, though having outstanding academic achievements, may not all be job-ready, just as full-time national servicemen have to complete basic military training to be battle-ready. We need to induct trainees before putting them to work. And he continued, I therefore suggest that the $3.6 billion set aside by the government for work credit scheme to support wage increases be instead to paying salaries of young recruits for a year, unquote. Provocative suggestions, no less, but not without merit. I should know, ETLA, my humble company, invested nearly $1 million to job-ready a group of fresh hire engineers as manufacturing design engineers for over a period of 9 months on a full-time basis, and interestingly, in this good institution. Today, they form the backbone of our nascent engineering competence center for all of our Asian operations. A second batch of fresh engineers training is on the planning table. Graduands, you are high-quality products of the Singapore Polytechnic teaching factory, as it were. Knowledge base, use of cutting-edge technology, industry-centered, practice-oriented training. Indeed, you are well-trained, and yet, as the Shaolin master would say to his precocious disciple, you have learned much, but there is much to learn. Your diploma is a journey, it's a milestone. Ready yourself as you embark on Polytechnic without walls. The professional world awaits you. The word success, I believe for many, is your current preoccupation, as you're ready to launch your professional life. Some will be entering the workforce to dabble and excel in bioengineering, medtech, or aerospace manufacturing, while others look to furthering your academic accomplishments. Yet for many, I know you'll be raring to don your smart camouflage greens as you're ready to serve the nation for the next 2 years. I put to you that success differs from one to the other, and most certainly from the passage of time. My definition of success back in your youth, or in my youth, was to be that famed chief engineer responsible for the design and erection of suspension bridges around the world. But now, it is to find a permanent solution to my receding hairlines and thinning crown. The definition of success changes as you grow, and you will find out. For me, the important thing is to live a life with integrity, not to give in to peer pressure or to be somebody or someone you are not. Be compassionate, be honest, and contribute in some way. Others could do good by contributing to the less fortunate. One needs not be too old to do good. Parents here, you may not like me to say this to your children. I'll still say it anyhow. Free yourself from the shackles of tradition. Define professional pathways or entrenched norms. Job opportunities are not exclusively available in Singapore. Explore what the enormous Asia region has to offer. Follow the callings of your heart. And above all, your passion. For it is the sole redeeming element that sustains you and I when we find ourselves in back work days, impossible deadlines, and overbearing bosses, commonplace in the professional world. You don't need many examples of successful people who follow their hearts steadfastly, the likes of creatives Mr. Sim Wong-Hoo or the late Mr. Steve Jobs of Apple. I just want to pick a local unsung hero to share. Her name is Miss Jean Tay. Not many people have heard of her. An applied mathematician and economist by training turned playwright. She stuck to her strengths in mathematics at an US Ivy League school, which put her in good state in her 7 years career as an economist in our own central bank. Yet never allowing the deafening numbers and mind-boggling bureaucracy wear out her fondness in literature, Miss Tay switched midpoint to becoming a successful playwright she is presently. Today, Miss Jean Tay has her fingers firmly on the pulse of modern Singapore. She's an author of numerous plays, 3 of which were nominated for Best Original Scripts. Her tragic comedy, Boom, written in 2008, is in the O and N-level English literature syllabi. That unextinguishable passion she possesses is to be lauded. So enduring, sustaining her identity than merely a career roadmap. I'm aware that it is customary to offer some advice of charting your professional endeavors, to paint for you the economic landscape, or even to share the emerging technologies of tomorrow. I must disappoint you, or maybe enlighten some, by saying that I won't be and I can't offer any. For starters, you can read from a multitude of sources the prevailing state of economies than to hear my rumblings. I honestly don't know you well, your strengths and your evolving interests, to be able to offer any meaningful advice in a platform like this. But there's one thing I can vouch for. that the virtues people honor and reward for hundreds of years remain: intelligence, diligence, integrity, hard work, commitment, and above all, love and faith. These qualities, whether in your professional or personal life, continue to get rewarded by the world. And equally important, a good life rewarded by people only you know best. To close, having survived the intense curriculum, exams, and constant irritations from your project groups, teaching staff for the past 3 years, I think you should savor the moment of pride for having made it here in one wholesome piece. Today is your day, a milestone for each of you, your families and loved ones, whom you owe the deepest gratitude and support. After today, you will leave the protection of this institution, the community, to seek and forge new communities of your own. Who knows where your individual paths will take you in a world beyond this campus? Except to move on in confidence and in faith. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Thank you, Mr. Sim. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin the presentation of diplomas to the graduates. This morning, we will be presenting diplomas and other awards to 426 graduates from the School of Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. May I now call upon the Director of School of Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering, Dr. Ng Eng Hong, to present the diplomas. Dr. Ng, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates for the Diploma in Bioengineering.
Erwin Setiawan. Nyat Susanda Luin. Aaron Tan Ying Chiang. Ahmad Fauzi bin Ahmad Rumzi. Akid Amma bin Muhammad Roslan. Alia Dana binti Zalzuli. Chia Wenfeng. Chu Guijin. Alisa binti Sidek. Gerald Teo Chia Wei. Go Han Long Eugene. Ho Qian Ci. Isabel Chao Sin Er. Isaac Emmanuel Go Kai En. Jonathan William Ambrose. Lee Sin Yi, Lim Sin An Desmond, Lim Sin Ray, Muhammad Daniel bin Jafari, Muhammad Muslimin bin Mohammed Samad, Ng Wei Bin, Norsatria Asira bin Norman, Ong Jing Chin, Perlin Teo Pei Lin, Riyadh Mohammed Rawouf, S. Sanjita, Tan Swan Eng, Tung Wei Tai, Wu Zhang Rong, Yu Yisheng, James Lee Wen Jie,
Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates for the Diploma in Mechanical Engineering.
Kalaichaldam, son of Ramdas, Kwa Zheng Yu, Lim Yu Heng, Xia Wei Jun Elvin, Xia Wei Ren Andrew, Sean Kwek Sing Ng, Tan Chun Hong Derek, Tan Se Kiet Alistair, Xu Wei Jie, Abdul Hadi bin Abdul Razak, Abdul Hakim bin Abdul Wahid, Abdul Hakim bin Aziz, Abdul Hakim bin Haris, Abdul Halim bin Ismail, Abdul Najib bin Mohammed Rafangi, Abdul Rahman bin Mohammed Ali, Effendi bin Ahmad, Afiq bin Abdul Razak, Ahmad bin Mohammed Hassan. Alex Yo Wei Hua. Amar bin Abdul Hamid. Amandeep Singh Daliwal. Andrew John Wee Jiarong. Ang Beng Hui. Ang Hui Sheng Paul. Ang Lina Yvonne. Ang Sing Kun Frederick. Ang Sui Leong Edward. Araftesh Rai. Bakhtiar bin Mohammed Rashid. Bashir Ahmad Rishwan. Bei Wee Chin Alfred. Bei Sin Fang Fion. Bei Wee Hong. Boy Man Kin. Brandon Ko Jin Rong. Brian Lim Lee Hung. C. Yogendran. Can Lim Yu Ting. Chan Chen Sim Charles. Chan Tek Kien Daniel. Chan Wa Tek. Chan Yong Sheng Kenny. Chen Jin Heng Aaron. Chen Ying Kang. Chen Zhongfu. Chu Han Sin. Chu Ti Yong. Chu Wee Yong. Chia Guo Yong. Chong Cho Hong. Chong Jia Yu. Chong Jie An, Chu Jie Yang, Chua Ming Hong, Dayin Ibrahim bin Rahman, Dennis Chan Yong Xiang, Divian son of Tamila Rasa, Diana binti Saktu, Dylan Tan Hong Kwang, Faris Nabil bin Karim, Gyam Ju Yu, Go Jiang Feng, Go Min Chin, Go Sir Wei, Go Zhe Yi, Hyrule bin Alwi, Ursiat Alif bin Abdullah, Iskandar bin Abdullah, Khairul Nizam bin Karis, Ko Chong Hua, Colin, Ko Yong Tat, Kok Chuan Lee, Terrell, Lee Bo Yi, Lee Ji Wen Ryan, Lee Jun Hao Brian, Li Yi Jie, Leong Jie Ying, Lim Hui Min, Lim Jia Han, Lim Jing Xiang, Lim Sheng Ho, Lim Sun Ji, Lim Tek Hui, Lim Wei Rong, Liu Hong Xiang, Lo Jingyi, Luo Di, Ma Hongjian, Muhammad Alim bin Muhammad Yaqub, Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Samad, Muhammad Mirza bin Yusuf, Muhammad Raihan bin Abu Bakr, Muhammad Ridwan bin Muhammad Yusuf, Muhammad Amirul Ashraf bin Rahman, Muhammad Arshak bin Muhammad Afdoli, Muhammad Fairuz bin Muhammad Yusuf, Muhammad Haikal bin Muhammad Kaya, Muhammad Haja Firoz, Muhammad Naziruddin bin Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Suhaili bin Muhammad Safi, Muhammad Azri bin Azman, Muhammad Salihin bin Shayan, Muhammad Shazarul bin Ishaq, Muhammad Al-Hafiz bin Azman, Monica Lim Sin Hui, Muk Chi Hung, Mugantan Paryasamy, Muhammad Azizul Hakim bin M. Rasli, Muhammad Akid bin Abdul Aziz, Muhammad El-Matin bin Sajali, Muhammad Amir bin Hamza, Muhammad Arifin bin Baharam, Muhammad Fadlin bin Osman, Muhammad Fahmi bin Ismail, Muhammad Faiz bin Khamis, Muhammad Faisal bin Nin Awi, Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Farhan bin Sutrisman, Muhammad Fauzi bin Ramat, Muhammad Fidaus bin Idros, Muhammad Hafiz bin Zainuddin, Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Kamal, Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Dawood, Muhammad Haikal bin Samsuri, Muhammad Hasbullah bin Salamat, Muhammad Imran bin Ismail, Muhammad Irfan bin Abdullah, Muhammad Nazri bin Kamaruddin, Muhammad Nur Azam bin Zainal, Muhammad Nurazli bin Juma'in, Muhammad Satria bin Abdul Aziz, Muhammad Sharon bin Abdul Qadir, Muhammad Suban bin Amran, Nabil bin Maidin, Nasiruddin bin Abdul Aziz, Ng Junjie, Ng Tik Wee, Ng Wei Bin, Ng Yi Chung, Ng Yong Chai, Nicholas Wong Hong An, Nizamruddin bin Jalaluddin, Noor Shafiq bin Ma'an, Noor Faralina binti Maslan, Noor Hakim bin Mohammed Rosali, Noor Muhammad Ayid bin Johan, Noor Shatika binti Mohammed Shah, Ong Kien Jie, Ong Kong Ming, Ong Tai Ming, Ong Yong Jian, Ong Zhi Lung, Pei Chong Shin, Pei Xiao Xue, Pek Song Ying, Parmesha Singh, Ho Ren Hao, Poon Wei Liang, Kwek Su Chen Eleanor, Rahman Shah bin Ismail, Roderick Ko Min Ray, Roland Lee Kun Ling, Rungfurani Apinyanku, Saiful Bari bin Muhammad Afandi, Samuel Chua Ming Ming, Samuel Liao Long Hua, Syed Amir Zaini bin Syed Zin Al Jufri, Sean Prakesh Shantilal, Sim Chen Guang Ivan, Siti Suhaila binti Mohammed Yusuf, Sung Han Yong, So Peng Tet, So Mei Ti Stephanie, Song Yong Jin, Song Yong Ray, Stephanie Ko Wan Yen, Syed Gaus Hamid son of Mira Hamid, Tan Chien Yao, Tan Ding Chi, Tan Han Wei, Tan Huang Jie, Tan Jin Kai, Tan Lin Kin Eric, Tan Sui Hong, Tan Wei Liang Belvin, Tan Yi Hao, Tae Che Ling, Tae Yi Yang Gabriel, Teo Kang Kiet, Teo Wei Yuan Sean, Tam Chi Wai Andrew, Ten Quang Lung, Theban son of Subramaniam, To Hong Sing, To Li Wee, To Wei Wei Vincent, Wai Pyo Ong, Wang Wensi, Wang Xianquan, Wang Yumao, Wang Sun Hui, Wang Xin-zhi, Wang Zhujian, Wu Wei Hui Priscilla, Yap Han Lim, Yap Chi Lung, Yap Yu Ming, Ye Xiao Lung, Yi Seng Fei, Yo Chui Ju Andrew, Yo Hui Peng, Yim Shao Wei, Zhou Win Cho, Zeya Nong, Zafran bin Ahmad Johari, Zhuo Zhimin, Zulaiha binti Mohammed Sharif,
Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates for the Diploma in Mechatronics.
Abu Sayyid bin Kothari Shah, Ted Ko, Muhammad Fariz bin Roslan, Muhammad Haikal bin Asman, Mukesh Balu Chitiran, Nilesh Rai, Tan Sheng Kai, Tang Yong Hong Melvin. Yassin bin Yusuf.
Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates for the Diploma in Mechatronics and Robotics.
Alex Lim Wee Chuan. Ng Mong Fan. Sean Hua Zong Yu. Wu Chi Ping. Ang Wee Huang Wesley. Ao Wei Kang Justin. A Myat Kain. Chen Chi Sen. Cheng Xian Ren Benjamin Alexander. Chu Cheryl. Chua Wen Shen. Chua Zhiming. Chua Wei Liang William. Daniel Po Beng Hui. Darren Cordy. I Myat Mon. Glenn Lim Wee Meng. Go Rong En Josiah. Guo Yu Shen. Nin Thanda So. Tu Ko Ong. Kong Taik San. Kendrick Chin Hong Sing. Khairul Arifin bin Kamal. Keng Wei Wen Nicholas. Ku Ding Jie. Ko Zhang Hui. Li Xiong Wei. Liu Wei Jian. Lim Ming Xuan. Lo Jie Wei. Louis Tan Yu Wei. Lo Yong Sing. Melvin Tan Siu Yi. Mohammad Zainuddin bin Yahya. Muhammad Ashraf bin Abdul Rahman. Muhammad Farurazi bin Muhammad Qasim. Muhammad Firdaus bin Asman. Muhammad Khair bin Amir. Muhammad Noor Afiq bin Mohammed Zayin. Muhammad Noor Hazik bin Kamil. Eng Jun Wei Randy. Eng Zheng Nian. Nigel Tan Zheng Yang. Nien Lin Tun. Nien Nu Naing. Ong Hui Han. Pu Nong Nin. Pyo Ong Hunt. Kwe Jun Hao Gerald. Raymond Winoto. Xiao Jun Ting. So Pie Son. So Jun Hao. Sung Jin Xian. Suhaimi bin Samsudin. Tan Chin Yao Benjamin. Tan Chuan Ting. Tan Jun Xiang. Tan Kok Heng. Tan Yi Wei Noel. Thanda Nin Ong. Tet Tet Hin. Theory Tet Wu. Tong Jackie. Vivian Yong Ying Lin. Y Lin I. Ye Lin Ko. Yong Jun Hao Nicholas. Zhao Yu Lin Rachel.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the list of graduates from the School of Mechanical and Aeronautical Engineering. Thank you, Dr. Ng. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now present the prizes. May I now invite Professor Chow Shao Kiang, member of the Singapore Polytechnic Board of Governors, to present the following prizes. Prof. Chow, please. From the Diploma in Bioengineering course, the GlaxoSmithKline Merit Award, Justin Lee Jian Han. The SMAE Singapore Section Prize, Tan Yen Ru. From the Diploma in Mechanical Engineering course, the Max Call Merit Award, Aprilia. The X-Ray Singapore Chapter Prize, Arif Salihin bin Muhammad Sarazi. Muhammad Dasfil bin Muhammad Zind Afandi. The High P Electronics Merit Award, Chin Fu Ling. The Quest Technology Merit Award, Chua Wei Chen. Go Chun Hin. The Makino Asia Prize, Eugene Chung Wai Hin. Ng Ye Xun. The ESUP Steels Merit Award, Go Jin Hao. The GlaxoSmithKline Merit Award, Leonard Ho Jin Han. The Yamazaki Muscat Merit Award, Irfan Yazuni bin Muhammad. The Semcom Marine Prize, Muhammad Nuhu, son of Nazaruddin. The PSA Corporation Merit Award, Ng Ye Han. The High U Technology Merit Award, Suresh Krishnan. From the Diploma in Mechatronics and Robotics course, the PSA Corporation Merit Award, Lim Jie Han. The ESUP Steels Merit Award, Wee Fok Chun. Receiving the Star Controls Merit Awards are Zhang Yunpeng. And that concludes the presentation of prizes. Thank you, Professor Chow. And ladies and gentlemen, we will now present medals to our top graduates for excelling in their course of study. May I now invite Mr. Barry Sim, Managing Director of ETLA Limited, to present the medals. Mr. Sim, please. From the Diploma in Bioengineering course, the Institute of Materials East Asia Silver Medal is awarded to Sukaino. The Biomedical Engineering Society Singapore Gold Medal are awarded to Yo Jo Eun. From the Diploma in Mechanical Engineering course, the ST Kinetic Silver Medal is awarded to Martin Raj, son of Kottaman. The following graduates was awarded the Lee Kuan Yew Award in the first session of this graduation ceremony. Today, the ETLA Gold Medal, the Shell Companies in Singapore Prize, the Alfred Albert Edis Prize, the OCBC Prize, the Institute of Engineering Singapore Prize, award to Leong Hai Ken. From the Diploma in Mechatronics and Robotics course, the Aerospec Silver Medal is awarded to Julian Ho Yin Xiang. And this graduate was awarded the Lee Kuan Yew Award in the first session of the graduation ceremony. Today, the ST Kinetic Gold Medal, the Shell Companies in Singapore Prize, the OCBC Prize, and the Institute of Engineers Singapore Prize is awarded to Gan Billy. That concludes the presentation of the top medals. Thank you, Mr. Sim. Ladies and gentlemen, giving the valedictory speech this morning is Leong Hai Ken, a graduate of the Diploma course in Mechanical Engineering. May I now call upon Hai Ken to deliver the farewell address on behalf of the new graduate. Hai Ken, please.
A very good morning, guest speaker, Mr. Barry Sim, Principal and CEO, Mr. Tan Chun Sian. Ladies and gentlemen, graduating class of 2013, I am deeply honored to be given this privilege to speak on this beautiful day in this beautiful school we've called home for the past 3 years. There was a day a few weeks ago I had to come back to SP. Being back was a trip of nostalgia more than anything. I was lucky and I got to ride on an empty train, and therefore had the full view of the landscape that flashed by. Arriving at SP, perhaps for the last time as a student, I walked into SP trying to remember and observe as much as I could. Walking past the auditorium, I saw a group of students taking part in what obviously is an orientation camp. I thought of our own orientation and how just 3 years ago, we were the new blur kids. Well, I'm still blur now, but I'm sad that my time as an SP student has expired, but also excited for our freshies, for I am sure that they're here for an awesome 3 years. Studying hard wouldn't have been possible if not for the friends we studied hard with. I remember a time during machining class where I overcut one of my components. But guess what? The whole class of 1B24 stayed back to help me finish my job. They might not remember it, but it remains one of my best memories. Thank you, friends, all of you, for being there for me. You know, the sound of construction is something that we as SP students have grown accustomed to hearing. I can almost guarantee that at any one time, something somewhere would be torn down and rebuilt. The latest being one of our MAE workshops. it is with a hint of sadness that a building containing so many memories has to be torn down. But it is in this spirit of continual improvement that I would bring with me as we graduate and transition from being students to alumni. Now that we've received our diplomas, we stand ready to move on to the next phase in our lives. Really, not only as individuals with the acquired knowledge to do our jobs or go to university, but also as thinking young adults ready to make our mark in society. I am proud to say that I am ready to move on, ready to leave the protective arms of SP to tackle whatever challenges that might lay ahead of me. But I'm even more proud to say that the reason why I am ready is due to a dedicated group of people here that have acted way beyond their call of duty to groom me to who I am today. I remember numerous times where I had to go overseas for 2 weeks at a stretch. An example would be my robot Boston competition. My teachers were so worried that I would be missing out on 2 full weeks of class and maybe falling behind on work. They therefore arranged special lessons just for me. All this done just so that I could go for the competition with peace of mind, knowing that my studies will not be affected. For always being there to go the extra mile for us. From the bottom of my heart, from our hearts, we thank you. There is, of course, another group of people that we owe our thanks to, our families. Thank you, Daddy, Mummy, Mei, Tai Kafu, Tai, for being here to see me graduate, for keeping my soup warm long after I'm supposed to be home, and also for supporting me in every single decision I made. I love you. Graduating class of 2013, we hold in our hands diplomas. Diplomas we have all worked so hard to achieve. Worked hard with friends, faculty, and family. People may see us as alumni from now on, but please remember, once an SP student, always an SP student. Thank you.
Thank you, Haiken. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduation ceremony is now adjourned. May I now invite all to stand. The procession groups will now leave the convention hall. Thank you for your patience. Please join us for tea reception at the plaza outside the convention center. May I invite parents and guests to leave the convention center first. Kindly do not forget to bring along your belongings. And I thank you for this wonderful morning. Have a nice day.